Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PolyBuzz app. All you have to do in the first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here until you find apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for PolyBuzz app. Or just click on search. Then here at PolyBuzz it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. You search here for PolyBuzz, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.